Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make this delicious vegetable sandwich. You will need lettuce, onions, sardine, mayonnaise, and tomatoes is optional. You start by washing the vegetables very well. Peel your onions and wash also. Now I'm cutting the lettuce. I did not use the regular method I used to cut vegetables. I'll be sharing the link to the video I cut ugu leaves and water leaves in the description box below. This is because the vegetable is not much, the quantity is very little, so just use my hands and cut it. And besides, lettuce is pretty soft to handle. Next, I'll be chopping the tomatoes. I started by first removing the core and then slicing them into cubes. And then of course my onions, just regular slices. I'm sorry, I didn't realize my video wasn't recording. So here I've added about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and also sardine. That's fish from sardine. And then with my 1 slice of bread, I place the vegetables in the bread, and I'll be covering it with another slice of bread. It's that simple. And this is really nice, it tastes really good, but be sure to consume in about a few hours, because if you leave it in under room temperature, it's going to sour easily. If you're not ready to eat, you can put in the refrigerator, but make sure you consume as soon as possible. So you don't have to do this, but I like to do it. Just chop the hard part of the bread away. This is another way I incorporate raw vegetables into my diet. I'll be sharing another link to a video of videos of how I incorporate raw vegetables to my diet. I like to eat healthy, so I'll be sharing my tips with you. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Click the subscription button so that you can get notifications anytime I post. That's my sardine. Looks really yummy. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below so I can know your thoughts. I would like to read from you. Also, feel free to share with your friends. Until next time, enjoy!